Hey everyone, it's an exciting time in the world of sports, and today I'm diving into how Ukraine's national football team is absolutely smashing expectations. Let's get into it. Just when the odds seemed stacked against them, Ukraine's football squad is turning heads and challenging the norms of international football. Against all odds, this team, rich with determination and resilience, is paving their way to success on the global stage. In recent matches, Ukraine has not only competed but excelled, showing a level of skill and teamwork that has both fans and critics sitting up and taking notice. What's even more remarkable is how they're doing this amidst the backdrop of significant challenges back home. It's not just about football, it's about national pride and the indomitable spirit of a people. But why is this important for us as sports fans? Well, Ukraine's story is a reminder of the power of sports as a unifier. It brings together people from all walks of life, providing a common ground, a shared passion, and a collective hope. On the field, the Ukrainian team's strategy has been nothing short of brilliant. Their dynamic gameplay, strategic prowess, and the physical fitness of the players have been key components of their recent successes. It's a testament to their coaching staff and the players' hard work and commitment to excellence. Off the field, the team's journey is equally inspiring. Each game played is a statement, a narrative of resilience that resonates far beyond the borders of Ukraine. It's a story of overcoming adversity, a beacon of hope for many who need it the most. For those of us following from afar, each match is not just a display of football, it's a lesson in courage and perseverance. It teaches us that no matter the challenges, with unity and determination, anything is possible. So as we cheer on Ukraine's football team, let's celebrate not just the goals scored, but the spirit embodied by this team. Let's root for them as they continue to defy expectations and inspire millions. It's more than just a game. It's about fighting the good fight. And no matter where you are in the world, that's something we can all stand behind. Thanks for tuning in, and let's keep our eyes on this incredible journey. Until next time, keep supporting, keep cheering, and let's keep the spirit of sports alive.